Not every business owner or founder is an entrepreneur, and not every business owner makes a great copywriting client, especially if you want to get paid royalties for the results that you generate. Here's what it comes down to. It comes down to whether they, not you, whether they live in the results economy or the time and effort economy. We're going to cover both today, but here's what I really want you to know. Entrepreneurs are business owners and founders who live in the results economy. A business owner or founder who lives in the results economy is an entrepreneur. And that's who you want to focus on. If you're good at copywriting, getting results, sales multiplied, these are the best clients. So, why? Well, we'll cover that in today's episode. These are the proven direct response marketing, copywriting, and entrepreneurship success strategies you can use today to write your own ticket and create the life you want. I am Roy Furr, and this is Breakthrough Marketing Secrets. Now, here's today's breakthrough. All right, today, as always, the episode is sponsored by me. I want you to check out the link in the description to Copywriting Royalties and Pay for Performance. Copywriting Royalties and Pay for Performance. That link is in the description. If you are interested in today's topic, you're definitely going to be interested in going deeper into that there. So you may recognize the language that I'm using coming from Dan Sullivan, and he talks about the results economy. There is the time and effort economy, which is the people who basically believe that we should get paid based on the time and effort that we put into our work. And so this is, if you're going to get paid a flat salary, if you're going to get paid a flat hourly wage, if you're going to get paid, for showing up, whatever, like that is very much the time and effort economy. This is the amount of time and this is the amount of effort that you put in. Even I would argue that if you get paid based on work output, so you get paid per article or per email or per whatever, that is still the time and effort economy. Alternatively, there is getting paid in the results economy. That is it. This is a mindset, but it's also how you get paid as an entrepreneur. When you are an entrepreneur, you make more money based on the results that you generate for your business, for your clients, for your customers, whatever. The results that you're generating dictate how much money you make. And great entrepreneurs live in the results economy. They structure their business to succeed. They structure their own success to be in alignment with their business success and the results that they're able to create. And they happen to make really great copywriting clients. Now, if you're liking this, don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe, do everything you can to engage with this episode so you get more content like this. And so I know that I should create more content like this for you. So why results economy entrepreneurs? Why do they make great copywriting clients? Well, here's what it comes down to. They don't value you based on the time that you put in. So if you want to be valued based on the time that you put in, you go work with time and effort entrepreneur or business owners, right? These are the people who just want a large staff of low paid workers, and they just want people to show up, punch the clock, and do their work and then punch out and go home. And typically, like, if you're entrepreneurial at all, these people suck to work for. Like, if you really don't want any responsibility at work, if you just want to show up and punch the clock and go home at the end of your shift, maybe those people are fine to work for or work with. But if you want to generate more value, create more value in the world, and get paid accordingly, these results economy entrepreneurs are the people to work with, because they do value you based on your ability to get results, leads, customers, sales, profits, whatever the metric is for success for them. That's what they value you for. And also, they are more likely to agree to performance payments, compensation, royalties based on the results that you're able to generate for them. But how do you find them? How do you pick results economy entrepreneurs as clients? Well, here's one simple thing that you can do. You can actually ask them. You can ask them, how will you know that our work together is successful? How will you know that our work together is successful? And if somebody values time and effort, they're going to say, well, you're going to show up on time. You're going to do your work. You're going to, spend this much time focused on the work. You're going to do all these things that represent the time or the effort involved. if they are a results economy entrepreneur, they're going to say, well, your new marketing campaign is going to generate X amount of sales, or we're going to be able to get positive ROAS on new customer acquisition, or we're going to hit whatever performance thresholds, right? Because it's going to be focused on results. And then if you have one of those people, or frankly, even if you're just trying to figure out if the person that you're speaking with is a results economy entrepreneur, one other way that you can figure out and to point yourself in the direction of getting paid performance is to actually propose payment based on results. So I work with my clients on a fee plus royalties basis, which means you pay me a flat fee to get the work done. But if or when the project generates sales for you, I get paid a percentage of those sales. Is that something that would work with the way that you're thinking about this project going? And so you can propose a payment based on results and ask them if that would work. And you will very quickly figure out if they are not interested in paying you based on results. Alternately, like I work with my clients to come up with a bonus structure that ties my compensation to the success of the project, such that the more success I create for you, the more financially successful it is for me, etc. Like there's lots of ways that you can propose it. In fact, I have an entire course, and the link is in the description, on copywriting royalties and how to get paid on results. In general, royalties are paid as a percentage of sales, and it is typically best, I have found, to either work on a fee plus royalty basis or advance against royalty basis if you're going to charge royalties, where you're getting paid a certain amount of money up front to cover your bills while you do the project, and just in case the client bails or doesn't use your marketing or has something happen where they don't start generating the results. And it de-risks the transaction a little bit for you, while your lower fee or lower advance versus what you might otherwise ask for on the project that you're going to earn through royalties de-risk the project a little bit for them. Alternatively, there are a lot of clients, especially outside of the direct response space, that aren't particularly happy to pay a royalties or a percentage of sales. You can still work with them to propose a pay for performance arrangement. Now, my training goes a lot deeper into this, but basically you want to get creative. If you found somebody who is a results economy entrepreneur, you can, propose payment based on their traffic cost, or in the direct mail days, they did it based on per piece mailed. So copywriters would get paid in advance against a per piece mailed feed. So for every Magalog catalog sales letter, whatever it was that went out in the mail, that copywriter got paid like 5 cents per piece mailed. And that doesn't sound like much until you start to mail millions of pieces of direct mail, and it adds up a lot. Today's equivalent would be, to base it on traffic costs. So however many dollars you spend on traffic, I get a percentage of that. So that's not directly tied to revenue, but presumably they're not going to be investing in traffic if the marketing is not generating revenue. The other thing is a lot of traffic agencies work based on either thresholds or a percentage of traffic costs. And the people who are buying Facebook ads, Google ads, etc., they might get paid a percentage of that. You can also ask for performance bonuses. So we hit whatever threshold, you give me a bonus. You can set out KPI, key performance indicator benchmarks of, if we hit this threshold, that either there's a bonus or a payment or whatever you're going to call it. Alternatively, if you're working with similar clients in from area to area to area, such as in an area exclusive program, you can instead charge a usage or licensing fee. So if they're going to use the marketing that you create for them, they're going to pay based on that usage, and then you can also charge the same type of fee in another area, in another area, in another area, etc. And again, get creative. If you want to get paid for performance and you're not working with a company that's directly interested in paying royalties, there are lots of ways to do it. But ultimately, what it all comes down to is that client and identifying, is this person a results economy entrepreneur? Is their mindset, is their head in the results economy, or is their head in the time and effort economy? And if their head is in the time and effort economy, if they only want to pay you based on the hours you work, or the work output or whatever, you're going to have a hard time convincing them otherwise. And so if you are looking for these types of payments, it can be extremely beneficial to focus on the clients who are mentally in the results economy. So check the link in the description if this interests you to the Copywriting Royalties and Pay for Performance training. It is part of the BTMS Insiders training library. That's like Netflix for copywriting and marketing training. So you pay one low monthly fee. You get unlimited streaming access to the entire catalog, including that royalties training. And if you check out that link in the description, make sure you scroll down to the reviews section or click the reviews link at the top. Santos Mata called it the best $97 I ever invested. Rosa Joaquinez said, what you must know if you don't have a clue on how to get paid. Casaba said, demystifying royalty deals. I mean, yeah, the people who have gone through this training and left their reviews, they absolutely love it. And I think you will too if you check the link in the description and dive into that inside the training catalog. I'm Roy Furr. This is Breakthrough Marketing Secrets. Don't forget that like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that. Hey, every day with every episode, I'm here trying to help you increase your marketing genius. And part of your marketing genius as a copywriter is knowing the ways to get paid that are going to maximize your success when you maximize your client's success. And this is really how to do that. I hope you found it valuable. I'll catch you again next time. Thank you once again for tuning in to this daily episode of Breakthrough Marketing Secrets. Remember, check out the links with this episode for even more value. Now make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and engage in every way you can to keep this show going and growing and delivering daily value to you. I'll catch you soon for your next big breakthrough.